Hey guys, today I made fried rice for my kids. So this was just a weeknight dinner, and in a large pan, I used 4 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding one large onion. I'm going to saute the onion until they are nice and soft. Cook them for about 2 minutes. Once the onions are looking like this, I'm going to add my garlic. I'm using 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. I'm going to cook these two together for about 2 minutes or until they start to smell really good. Now I'm going to add 3 diced carrots. So I'm going to cook this also together until the carrot is starting to be soft. So I'm cooking the carrot for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's starting to be soft. And then I'm going to add green beans. So about 200 grams of green beans. Cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper seasoning. Then add chicken seasoning. I like the chicken seasoning, the flavor of it. You can add whatever seasoning you like, but I'm just gonna add chicken seasoning. And then I'm going to cook through, mix with the veggies. Then I'm going to push the veggies aside so that I can cook the eggs. And for this recipe, I'm going to use 6 eggs. If you've got less eggs, you can use whatever eggs you've got. But I'm just using 6 eggs. Cook until the eggs are nice and cooked. Yeah, and once the eggs are cooked, I'm going to add 2 cups of cooked rice. And then I'm going to mix everything through. While I'm mixing this, I am going to add my soy sauce. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then I'm going to mix everything together. Mixing everything together. Now everything is mixed together. I'm going to add some shallots, green onions, and there you have it. Some fried rice, quick and easy, nice and budget friendly meal. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.